going on, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes. We're now in the work of this beautiful G35, the Batmobile, soon to be the Vader, but alive as well. Today, we're gonna finish up the braking system. That being said, I'm gonna get two new brand tires because if you guys remember, back in the day, I had a problem where I was going to the Street Speed and Jonathan Turner's McLaren reveal party, and I was gonna take this Batmobile, and then I stopped in New Jersey, and New Jersey gave me a few bumps on this tire right here. As you can see, it's flat. I'm gonna leave those in the back because those tires are actually gonna be my burner tires, as I call them. I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna close it up now. Go to the other tire. So what I say, guys, the complete braking system replacement on the G35, aka the Batmobile, aka the Vader soon, is complete by bleeding the brakes. Now, the only thing that's left is to get my reaction to see how these new braking system feel compared to the other one, because who else better than the guy that was driving it before, right? I was gonna go and change the tire, but now I can't. The G is rear wheel drive. Forget that plan. These are the brand new tires. They're from a Kyle's or a Chills. I don't know how you spell that. But yeah, these are freaking awesome, man. I got these for 60 bucks, brand new, for Walmart. Oh yeah, free shipping. Okay, so I am back. This is the new wheel, mounted and everything. So this is how she looks. This is a sidewall, which I really like. Has the name right there, Kyle's or Child's, however you want to say it. Starts right up. Take this thing off because actually it's freaking cold outside, but it's hot inside here, so there's always a trade-off. Don't mind the mess, everything's still inside here. Now right off the bat, I do feel it kind of soft. I think there may be air in the system still. I mean, they're gonna be soft because they're brand new, so that, and it has, and my rotors has paint on them. Do you guys hear that? I think the calipers are not releasing, so I think I have a freaking DOA caliper. DOA means dead on arrival. Oh, great. Well, besides that, she's braking normal. It's a little bit, how do I explain this? It's a little bit soft, like you barely feel any pressure. Not barely, but it's not like a strong braking. I don't know if that's because of the stainless steel, because I never had stainless steel before. But we're gonna go in the garage now and rotate that tire, see what is going on with that caliper. But that's just part of the build, right? Trial and error, and error and trial. Oh, good Lord, man. Well, I'm disappointed that caliper still needs, that thing is still making noise. But let's see what's, ow! Let's see what's that noise about. But anyway, this is my reaction to the new setup. It's still not 100%. There still needs to be a little bit of bugs going on around here. Hopefully it's not something serious. Hopefully it's not a dead caliper. What is going on, guys? Do I have an update for you guys? Now here it is. This is the baby. But as you can see, the discs are worn in, baby. How about that? So you know what that means. You know what that means. Oh my God, it's looking beautiful. The rotor matches with the lip. Pretty cool. Cold starter, baby. Gotta love that Borla exhaust. I'm telling you, I love that Borla exhaust. Okay, guys, so let's get going. So you might be wondering what changed from my last test run and this run. Well, before, in the middle of this run and the other one, I did a little bit more work because, as you guys remember, it was doing like a little bit of rubbing. What I found out was it was the brake clips that was somehow like bent a little bit, and it was rubbing on the actual rotor. So I got that fixed, and then I was trying to do like another bleeding procedure because the brakes were not as strong as I want to. But then I called my brother, he's a mechanic. Like, you gotta run the car. You gotta, take out and let the car and the brake pads see. Then I'm super happy because the car is braking. But that middle reaction where I was like super happy that it was braking properly, I did not record this. If you like this video, please give me a like. And if you're new, please consider subscribing because this thing is gonna be something great. God bless.